Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dawson here with another YouTube video coming at you from Biddeford Pool in Maine. Been here a couple times with Nick Vigu, who was in my last video, but I've never been here for sunrise, so I decided I'd come check it out. Got up a little bit late today and didn't really prepare like I should have last night, so we don't have the best composure in the world, but we're trying to get things done over here. Kind of show you what I'm working with. So if you look, it's kind of hard to see, but what I'm trying to do is get the water coming right in through this little crevice right here, and the sun is rising out behind those clouds. One of the biggest mistakes you can make coming out to shoot sunrise is just not being prepared ahead of time. You know, it's okay to be late to sunset because you have the sunset and then you have blue hour right after, which still provides good light. But if you're late to sunrise, then you kind of miss a lot of the good light that happens just before sunrise, and you also don't really get the best composure. You can't set up kind of the way you want to. I would have set up down here so that I could shoot kind of more down in through that opening, but it's pretty slippery. I tried to go down there and waves have been coming up occasionally and hitting that rock, so I decided that that probably wasn't the best spot to be leaving my camera. Having a waterproof bag is great, especially when you're like me and you put it down on a rock and you think, oh, there's no water on this rock, and then you pick it up and it's dripping with water. Luckily it was just the straps, not too big of a deal. So I think I just got one of the best drone photos that I've ever taken. I don't know for sure. I'll have to go back, put it on my computer, see how I can edit it, but it looked really cool from my phone, which I can see my drone from. One of the best things about having a drone is getting into those spots that you can't get with a camera. Obviously I could take a helicopter up if they even flew over here, but that's kind of way different than just being able to fold it up, put it in my backpack, and let it fly. It's a real advantage. It's one of my favorite pieces of equipment that I own, just because it gives me so much more that I can do as far as different kinds of shots. Adds a little bit different B-roll. It's very cinematic, very dramatic, so all those things are a plus, especially when you're out here by yourself. I think this is the hardest video that I'm gonna make because I don't have anybody else out here with me, so there's not much else to film other than me. And I know you guys love seeing me, but at some point you probably get sick and tired of me. There wasn't much B-roll today. For those that don't know what B-roll is, it's kind of the cinematic shots, the detail shots. Those are a lot easier when you have a second person, especially because there's something to get B-roll of. When I'm out here by myself, it gets kind of hard especially when I'm trying to take pictures too. You know, I'm trying to take pictures, I'm trying to fly my drone, I'm trying to do this, I'm trying to get B-roll. So there's a lot of stuff that kind of plays in. This video might be a little bit shorter because of it. I said that the last time, but I really think this one will be shorter. Other than that, I think today was a pretty good day. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, please like and subscribe. I'll have some more videos coming soon.